One of us has to be leaning, and one of us has to be standing. Sit, stand, lean.
When do you guys finish nailing up this wall? I'm not gonna have to stand here all day and hold the bloody thing up.
You really, when you're jackhammering, you should probably stand up. I don't know. I've never seen it done standing.
Seriously, guys, come on, get a few nails into this damn thing.
I'll put it down. Sorry, I forgot to.
Alright, I want a new job now. I don't like this anymore.
When you're done with that one, I got one over here for you.
You see me walking all over the place with these. No, I think I got up
I'm gonna put this back here.
Oh, I could use a break. I've been standing all day.
That's my shoulder.
So, what time do you think we're going to get clock out at today?
Yeah, it's probably 5.
5? So this is pretty good.
I don't think this building is stable. I'm having a hard time.
You know, building and safety came by the other day, and OSHA were here too, and they had a terrible
I'm getting a little dizzy. I'm getting a little dizzy. I might, you know.
Good Lord, I'm glad I took out that bottle.
I'm gonna get our lunch. Yeah,
I'm good now. I'm good. I'm good. The boss is coming. Wait, you can't sit down. The boss is coming.
I chipped on the nail though.
Oh, maybe I'll just do a few.
I guess. Thanks for bringing my lunch.
Oh, that's great.